Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make Valentine's Biscuit donuts. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 tablespoons of milk warmed, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, red food coloring, a can of biscuits, vegetable oil for frying, 1½ cups of confectioner sugar, Valentine sprinkles, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of butter extract, and also a heart-shaped cookie cutter. First, we're going to open our biscuits and separate them. Once you have your biscuits separated, we're just going to take them and we're going to flatten them some. Now you want to take your cookie cutter, press down, and we're going to make our hearts. Okay, I have all my biscuits cut into a heart shape. And guys, the excess dough, you can just go ahead and roll it out and make extra donuts with that also. Okay guys, in my frying pan I have my oil heating up. I'm just going to go ahead and put our biscuits in. You don't want to walk away from them. You want to keep an eye on them because they're going to cook fast. After a minute or two, you want to go ahead and begin to turn them over. As you can see, they're browning nicely. Only want to give it about a minute on the other side. Then we can go ahead and take them out. After they're done, you want to put them on a wire cooking rack to cool down. Now in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add your 1½ cups of confectioner sugar, your vanilla extract, the butter extract, your butter, and also your milk, and we're just going to whisk it together until it's well combined. Now you want to add in a few drops of your red food coloring and mix until well combined. Now you want to take your donuts, and all we're going to do is put it into our frosting. Make sure it's all covered, and we're going to sit it back onto the cooling rack. While the glaze is still wet, you can go ahead and grab some sprinkles. That's if you would like to put them on top. I'm going to do about half of them with some sprinkles and leave the other half just with the glaze. Then we're just going to let them sit for a few minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Valentine's Biscuit donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.